Welcome back, YouTube. All right, so I have an issue. My table saw, I have a saw stop. My table saw got, I don't know if you can see this, but it got really rusty. At one point, I thought it was me sweating. And then I realized it's right under the garage door where you can see it right there. And whenever it rains, it's been raining a ton in Austin lately. It's the springtime, so it rained a lot this year. But every time the garage door is open, which we take the garage door out a lot because that's where we park our cars out there, and we take out our garbage, recycling. But these doors open and the water drips down and it's gotten really rusty. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos. I'm going to try it. They say just spray it down with WD-40 and then use these green scratch pads. These are Scotch-Brite. But just scrub it, wipe it off, scrub it, wipe it off, and eventually it'll all come off. So today, that's what we're going to do. I'll let you know how it works. But do it at your own risk. It looks really, really good to me. Let me show you the difference. Was, and here's some little ones, but it is smooth and looks way better, and that took me like a few minutes, 5 minutes at most. So I'm going to continue on with the rest and you'll get to see the finished product. and try to polish those out. I need to do a little bit of research on that. So, but if you have any experience in getting like kind of deep scratch, these aren't like super deep, but it looks like I moved something across and really kind of dug into it a bit. So I may try that, but put some comments in and tell me what you think. I would recommend WD-40, Scotch pad, and a sander if you feel like doing a sander. Just be careful. These don't cover the entire sanding pad, so you got to be careful not to like lean it over to where it's going to touch the edge. Because I stuck it to sandpaper. If you put sandpaper on and then you accidentally like pushed it over, you're gonna get that sandpaper on there, and really scratch it. The only other thing I could think of that would work better is one of those electronic laser guns that get rid of paint and stain and rust and that type of thing. But overall, I think this is pretty good. Pretty good. So, see you next time, guys.